After a long-awaited days, my package has finally arrived.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hi guys, this is a 8 GB Crucial DDR4 RAM which cost me around 2000 rupees. Today we are going to upgrade my Acer Nitro 5 2022 model and see what performance upgrade we get out of this laptop. Let's start the video.
I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to
Here is the performance result before the RAM upgrade. The game was averaging at around 60 to 70 FPS and it was actually playable since it is a very heavy game. For the player comparison, the game is set to its maximum graphics setting and also in its maximum performance mode. Let's see how it will do after the upgrade.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silence. More heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
After the addition of new RAM, there has been a significant improvement in the performance. The performance increase is just nuts, man. Now it gives me constant frame rate of 140 FPS, which is really awesome for playing games like PUBG and Valorant. I have even tried it on Valorant and it gave me more than 200 FPS, which is crazy. So my final verdict will be, if you have a good CPU paired with a good GPU and you still cannot pull out a playable frame rate out of your machine, just go and upgrade your RAM. Give a comment down below what you think or any suggestion regarding this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.